Hello everyone, hope you're fine. Welcome to my channel SS Solutions. In this video, I will tell you about how you can fix the mic problem in your device Oppo A76. So if in this device, if you're having any problem related to the mic, like your mic is not working on the calls or not working for the recording, you can easily fix it just by following the few steps as I will show you in this video. Before we move on to the video, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps and watch this video and you will learn how you can fix the mic problem in your device Oppo A76. Let's watch it.